koutou, called Pauline Tokuinga. My name's Pauline, and I'll be doing the news all by myself.
Not so fast. Morena Winton School, called Jake ahau. I'm Jake. Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news. Today is Ramere, the 15th of February.
Strait to toku Wiki.
This week's word is Pukapuka.
Pukapuka means book. Right onto health and safety news.
Well, keep wearing your high-vis vest, Winton. I wonder which class won. The results will be given at assembly this afternoon.
And a reminder, if you do not have your pōtae, you need to be under the sunshade in the junior eating area. On to Sunsmart News.
The UV vortex for today is medium. Stay hydrated, Winton School.
On to today's notices.
Please make sure you return all sportsy gear today after lunch.
Gardeners, please meet Mrs. O'Neill in room 6 at morning tea.
And could everyone who registered their interest for showquest please come to room 13 at morning tea today to get your notices. If you didn't make last week's meeting but still want to join, come along.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can either re-watch the news again or read the notices in the text box below.
Wow! Help me, there's so many words. And that's all from Winton School News. Thank you for tuning in. That's all from me, Ka kite pōpō.